Hi, this is Joe Salemi, Vice President of Commercial Sales at FiberQA. So at FiberQA, we've developed a suite of products to go from your high volume manufacturing level through production, through R&D, and through maintenance and sustainment. And FiberQA's expertise can come in and choreograph how all of that works together in one ecosystem, reducing that finger pointing that can happen, and really having a better synergy throughout your supply chain, reducing any return, and also increasing your warranties to your suppliers and vendors. FiberQA uses a consultative approach with our customers. We know that it's not a one-size-fits-all as we introduce this automation to the industry. We can work with your production, we can work with your supply chain to ensure you're going to get the best, most repeatable solution we can for you.